The RVers' ultimate guide to national park etiquette. The great American road trip, an odyssey of discovery with your trusty RV as your chariot, and the national parks as your playground. But with great adventure comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to the unspoken and spoken rules of national park etiquette. Fear not, fellow road warriors, for this guide will navigate you through the do's and don'ts, ensuring your national park experience is nothing short of epic, respectful, and, of course, packed with a good dose of humor. 1. Leave no trace. The cardinal rule. Let's start with the golden rule: leave no trace. This isn't just about not littering, which should be a given. It's about preserving the pristine beauty of these natural wonders for future generations. Pack out what you pack in, stay on designated trails to protect fragile ecosystems, and remember that cool, rock or neat pinecone needs to stay where it is. Think of it as the outdoorsy version of look with your eyes, not with your hands. 2. Wildlife. Admire from afar. Yes, those elk, bears, and bison are majestic and photogenic, but they're not auditioning for the next Disney movie. Keep a safe distance, usually at least 100 yards from predators and 25 yards from other wildlife. This is for their safety and yours. Resist the urge to feed them. Human food can harm wildlife and alter their natural behaviors. Remember, the only thing you should feed is your sense of wonder. 3. Noise. Keep the party inside. Your RV might be your castle, but in a national park, the great outdoors reigns supreme. Keep noise levels to a minimum to preserve the tranquil ambiance. This means moderating music, voices, and any other sounds that might disrupt the natural serenity or your neighbor's peace. The birds didn't sign up to be your backup singers, and your fellow campers probably don't appreciate a late-night rendition of Bohemian Rhapsody. 4. Campsites. Treat them like your grandma's living room. When it comes to campsites, treat them with the same respect you'd show your grandma's living room, assuming you like your grandma. Stick to designated spots, and don't go creating new ones. Keep your site tidy, and make sure fires, if allowed, are contained and fully extinguished before you hit the hay. And just like at grandma's, don't overstay your welcome. Observe checkout times and leave it better than you found it. 5. Pets. Their park, their rules. Bringing Fido along for the ride? Make sure he's on his best behavior. Keep pets on a leash, clean up after them, and be aware of areas where they may not be allowed. Your furry friend might be the perfect camping companion, but not everyone, including wildlife, might share that sentiment. And remember, incessant barking is not considered nature's soundtrack. 6. Respect other campers. The community spirit. The RV community is a tight-knit group, bound by a shared love of adventure and the open road. Show respect for your fellow campers by maintaining a friendly distance, literally and figuratively, observing quiet hours, and lending a helping hand when needed. Sharing a cold one around the campfire is optional but highly recommended. 7. Conserve water and resources. Every drop counts. Water is a precious commodity, especially in more arid park regions. Conserve water by taking shorter showers, Navy showers, anyone, fixing any leaks in your RV, and using biodegradable soap. Also, be mindful of your electricity and gas usage. These parks are not just your playground, they're fragile ecosystems that demand our respect and conservation efforts. 8. Be fire smart. Only you can prevent forest fires. Smokey Bear has been saying it for years, and it still holds true. Be smart about campfires. Only build fires in designated areas, never leave them unattended, and ensure they're completely out before you leave. In areas where fires are prohibited, respect those rules. The only thing you want to ignite is your sense of adventure, not a national park. 9. Stay informed. Knowledge is power. Park regulations can change like the weather. Stay up to date on park rules, closures, and conditions. This not only ensures you're in compliance but also helps you make the most of your visit. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to have an unforgettable, responsible adventure. 10. Spread the word, not the impact. As a member of the RV community, you're an ambassador of the open road. Share these etiquette tips with fellow travelers, especially those new to the RV lifestyle. Education is key to preserving the magic of our national parks for everyone to enjoy. The art of national park etiquette. Adhering to national park etiquette isn't just about following rules, it's about embracing a philosophy of respect, conservation, and community. It's about ensuring that the breathtaking vistas, serene landscapes, and majestic wildlife that draw us to these parks are here for future generations of RVers to enjoy. So, as you set out on your next national park adventure, remember that the real beauty of these places lies not just in their natural wonders but in our collective efforts to preserve them. Here's to the next adventure, conducted with respect, laughter, and an unending sense of wonder. Happy trails, fellow RVers!